Hello everyone. In this video session, we will learn how to perform binary subtraction. I saw that some students are facing that problem to perform binary subtraction. So I decided to make this video again so that I can explain it in a very deep manner. Okay. So I'm going to explain binary subtraction one by one. Okay. What is the rule? Rule is what? 0 minus 0 is becomes 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is again 0. And 0 minus 1, that is the main case. 0 minus 1 is 1 with borrow is equal to 1. So that is the rule. Okay. I'm taking an example. The example is, suppose that I'm taking the first things that 1, 0, 0. That is a number. Okay. And if you want to subtract 101 with 1, 1. Okay. So here we will see there is a 0 minus 1. The rule is saying that 0 minus 1, if there is a 0 minus 1, so result will be 1, but it will take the borrow first. It will take the borrow first. So I know there would be 1. So it will take the borrow from the next immediate left digit from here. But again we will see that here is again 0. So it will take the borrow from next immediate left digit. Here we will see there is a 1. So 1, it will give the borrow 1 to this digit. It will give the borrow 1 to this digit. So it will become itself 0 and it will give its own 1 it here. It becomes 10. It becomes 10. And as you know very well, 10 is equal to 2 according to the rule 4 to 1. What is the value of 10? Okay. So what is the 0, 1, 0? Or you can say that 0, 0, 1, 0. That is 2 value. Okay. So it becomes 2. So it will take only 1, 1 itself, and the another one it will transfer to the next bit, next right bit. Okay. So it will become again 2. Now 2 is subtracted with the 1 and we will perform subtraction. The resultant will be 1. Okay. Now it has only 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. And it already is 0 because it gave its own number as a borrow to the next immediate digit. So it becomes 0. So that is 1. So it is very important concept of borrow a number from the immediate left numbers. Okay. Now I'm taking another example. There is a very important example 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. And I'm subtracting this number 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 0. I'm performing the subtraction of two binary numbers. Okay. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, again 0. But after this 1, you will get 0 here. So it will take borrow from here. Here we will see there is again 0. So it will take borrow from its immediate left. Here we will see again 0. So it will take another immediate left. Here we will find 1 digit. So it will give its 1 to this immediate right bit and it become itself 0. So here you have to write 0, okay, because it has given its own number to its immediate right digit, right? Here it becomes 1, 0, and as you know very well, 1, 0 is 2. So it will take only 1 with this number, and again this 1, it will move to the next bit, that become 1. So 1 minus 1, that is 0, and this number is moved to the next bit, that is 1, 0. 1, 0 is again 2, 1, 0 is again 2. So it will take 1 from itself and another 1 it will transfer to the immediate right. So it will become 1, 0. So 1 minus 0, that is 1, and this one is moved to the this one, so it becomes 2 again, and 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So answer is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. These two zeros are useless because it is coming before this one, okay? So you can write or you can not write, it is totally up to you. So right answer is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Thank you, class.